I'm bringing you another look with Airbrush nail stencils, but I'm going to use PatPat gels. Now, I'll link all the palettes that I used in this video below for you, but we're going to do this really cool star and like leopardy print ombre type situation. Okay, very fun. Now I'm gonna let you know, I do love the PatPat gels. As a person that's been airbrushing for the last 10 plus years, the PatPat gels are really cool, really easy to use, and I think all the newbies will like it. It's not as much equipment as airbrushing, but you could still kind of get the same effect with these. I'm going to do this design as well with airbrush so you can see it. I have a base on the nails from IBD. It is 890, and I did 2 coats of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap in white. I'm using the deep French stencils here, and after I did my white, I went ahead and added a little bit of that brown from that first palette. Now this PatPat gel, I got this one off of Amazon. You can stamp with it and you can chrome with it. I have used it in so many designs. It's been definitely a game changer. But you see me stamping with it? Yeah, fantastic. Take off your deep stencils, and then we're going to grab my star stencils from the star stencil pack. Oh my gosh. When I tell you this came out so crazy and so good, these are the irregular stars. Yeah, not the star stencil packs. These are the regular star pack. They're just kind of like stretched out stars that you can stretch over the whole nail. I do a base of white first, cure it with the stencil on, and then after that I tap in the neons from another palette and I'll put that below. You see me tapping in the neons right here. It's very simple, and because these PatPat gels cure tag free, you can actually just wipe the excess off of the stencil after you're done with it, and the stencil still remains very much reusable. I top coat the design, and then you're going to see the final look after this. But boy, you think you could do this on a client? I really feel like you can. Beginners, intermediates, you can use this design. You can do it. And this is just all with PatPat gels and some airbrush nail stencils. Let me